My name is David, and this is I Am the Cbro Paracord Design. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make the V8 metal modified baby sanctified paracord bracelet. This is a little advanced, as you will need various different items. You'll need, of course, your paracord. This style of chain, you could pick it up at any hardware store or Home Depot. And 1/4 20 hex nuts. Alright. To start it off, I have it tied off right here using just a random cow's hitch with a double loop over. That's to hold the chain in place at this end, and I have this one down here as a temporary holder for the to keep it nice and tight. I have 2 strands of cord. These are not accurate lengths. These are 6 feet each. I do this for extra, that way I can make lanyards and whatever else. Alright, what you want to do first, like I said, you want to start up here by looping through. On this style of chain, it has a hole going this way from left to right, and then underneath you have the hole right here. The internal cord will be the inside part, and we'll have 2 knots on both sides for every link going down the chain. This one will start out like this. It'll be 2 knots on both sides. Then you come up from underneath with both of them going to the opposite directions. Like this to start the first one. You want to leave a little slack out, and then you take your other one and do the same thing. Next, what you want to do, you want to take your cords and you want to bring them together, and you're going to take your hex nut and you're going to put it onto that strand of cord. And you're going to pull that down, and you're going to leave that off for now. Next, since you have your loops here, you want to leave those out like that. Then you want to take your secondary cord and you want to bring it to the next link in the chain going up from the bottom. This one will be the sanctified part of the bracelet. You want to make sure you go over your primary strand and come through, making sure you stay above the same cord you just passed from underneath. Then you do the same thing for the other side. I'm only going to show this one pass because this will be a short tutorial. Alright. Next, what you want to do, you want to take your primary cord and you want to go through that same link that the black cord came through, and you're going to pass through from left to right, and you're going to do the same thing like at the top here. You're going to knot them off. You're going to take the right one to the left and the left one to the right. And you want to do the next one. Make sure you have either a needle nose, plier, tweezers, or a very small fid. I'm just going by luck with this right now, so bear with me. put that one through. Next, what you want to do, you want to pull your slack out of the primary cord and then close off that. And then on the secondary cord, you want to pull any slack you may have out of it and then tighten that up. That will bring out the design as it's shown here. And that will continue to repeat its weight down. And that's how you do it. And you're going to basically, after you bring the two cords through for the primary strand, you want to loop them. And tighten them up. So that the cord gets nice and tight with the pass-through on from the left to the right, like this. Through here. Alright, and do the same thing. You always want to loop inward on this. If you loop it any other way, it won't sit right and it may look different. How you doing? All right. And that's how you have it. Thank you, and have a nice day.